Hi, Jabberwocks. This is Jabberjen. I'm doing my first ever unboxing video. And you probably know why that is. I've been expecting a certain package, as you all know. It is the one from Barbara. Yay! Alright, let's get down to it. I've got the box right here.
Don't forget, you look like you got a card or something on the outside, don't you?
Oh, and it might be a card on the front. I don't know. Let's see if it is first, shall we? I got my take my X-Acto knife. Kids, be careful with this. Let's see what this is. Is there anything? Nope. Oops. It's just a plain piece of paper. Would have been cool if it had been money, huh? Alright, down to business. Let's see what's in here, shall we? How silly of me. I should let you guys see what I'm doing. Only right. Get this thing open. Alright. I think that's enough. Maybe not. Okay. Looks like I got it open. Get enough tape. And it looks like there's more paper. Oh! What is this? I wonder. Ah. What is this?
Tissue?
Fabric softener.
Oh, is it? Cool.
Smells good.
Cool.
Thank you, Barbara. That was a good idea. Let's take this out. Wow, this is pretty. I saw it on camera. Thought it was pretty, but it's gorgeous up close. Wow, look at that color. Look at this, guys. Wow. Wow, this is so soft. You all know how good a crocheter is. I'm sorry, how good Barbara is a crocheter. This is gorgeous. Look at that color. Look at that. Wow.
That's really pretty.
Oh, and I'm sorry, my mother is here too. Mama, what do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm still here, guys. hope I haven't lost you. I hate it when that happens. Oh, there's Tiger coming to see what's going on. This is the first time this has ever happened. Get that back in there. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. As most of you know, I have been expecting this for quite a while. And the night of Barbara and Debbie's first crochet talk, I had to leave early. But at the 9 o'clock stream, she asked me if I wanted this. And of course, you probably imagine my reaction. Mama, do you want to feel it? It's very
Just don't show me because I ain't ready for it. Oh, that's really, really pretty. It's done so beautifully.
I know Barbara does a good job. Well, that's it on that part. I do have one more thing I want to show you. These are some pictures we got in the mail. Now, this first one is someone you probably already know who it is. This is Tiger's cutie picture. Isn't he cute? That's what he looked like when he was just a little carny kitty. That's my boy. That's my little guy. And this next one is Molly. Whoop, yeah. Hold on. Anyway, here's my little girl Molly. Say hey, Molly. Woof, woof. This next one is my niece Reese with her dog Roscoe. Isn't she pretty?
And that's the one I'm currently trying to paint.
And this is yeah. Get him. Sorry, my cat was trying to mess with my camera or microphone. Sorry. Oh yeah, like Mama said, this is the one that Mama's currently trying to draw and paint.
Just the dog.
Just the dog, not the girl. This next one is Reese's old dog. This is Ellie. Her name was Eleanor.
Tell him what happened with her and why we have her, how we got her.
My brother-in-law Blue brought home Eleanor because she had been abandoned.
And he found her on the side of the road.
Found her on the side of the road.
She was starving to death.
You heard what she said, right, guys?
Starving to death.
She was starving to death. She was pitiful. Here is a close-up of Roscoe. He's like, what in the world are you doing? I'm serious. He can make that... He can really show his teeth and be a funny dog.
And he's cockeyed.
And he is cockeyed. You see right. Now these next three pictures are some pictures that Mama's probably going to paint. I'm sorry, she is going to paint. For those of you who have been to Macon, close to the train tracks, this is a picture of the old steel of the old train. I don't know what this is called, but this is a place that the trains stop to put coal in the boxcars. Yeah, that's it. Sorry guys, this isn't very easy. I'm not sure what this is, but it's a neat picture.
I'm gonna paint it.
Mama's gonna paint this one too.
Draw it and paint it.
Mama's gonna draw and paint this. And this next one is the same picture, only a better.
It's a huge barn. That's been abandoned, and the barn and the truck, all of it's been abandoned, and it's so cool. It's on Highway 96.
You heard right, guys. Highway 96 in Macon.
No, between Warner Robins and Fort Valley.
I'm sorry. It's on Highway 96 in Fort Valley.
In the country.
In the country, close to me. Excuse me again. Okay, guys. That's it in my boxing video. Be sure to like or subscribe and leave a comment in the down below.
Bye, y'all.
Y'all heard my mom. My mom says bye. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, Jabberwocks.